It seems like a lifetime since we worked on cartoons together. 30 years really slips away, doesn't it? If you're back in town, come visit the old workshop. There's something I need to show you. Your best pal, Joey Drew. Me, though, I don't really mind or care.
Alright, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
What is this?
Hey, here's my old desk. I wasted so much time in this chair.
I spend so much time on my bed.
Looks like they knocked out a wall or two after I left. Guess it took a few people to replace me.
One man, I just had Taco Bell. Let me in. Dreams come true. You go anywhere.
This lift could use a few dry cells.
What is this? Here, take this. And maybe this.
Let's see what you're hiding down there, old friend.
Show me the greatest film to ever exist. I don't know why they need chains for an ink machine. Seems like something finally opened. Mari Scroot. What is this?
I better get overtime for this.
At this point, I don't get what Joey's plan is for this company. The animations sure aren't being finished on time anymore, and I certainly don't see why we need this machine. It's noisy, it's messy, and who needs that much ink anyway? Also,
Yeah, just use the computer.
had each one of us donate something from our workstation. We put them on these little pedestals in the break room to help appease the gods, Joey said. Keep things going. I think he's lost his mind.
The only god you should be worshipping is Usopp.
I tell you what, if one more of these pipes burst, I'm out of here.
Our god, Usopp. Ah!
Alright, how do I get this to work?
So all I need is all these. Oh.
Who put this here?
Drugged. Wally Franks can't be messed with.
Oh my god. Joey, what were you doing?
Here's the gearbox. Oh, nope, there's the book. So how many would that be so far? 3? Dreams do come true.
Okay, that's all of them.
Of Danny DeVito is gone.
Now I just need to get the ink flowing somehow. Should be a switch around here somewhere. Then I can start up the main power.
I don't really wanna. Oh, there were my new shoes. Bro, I just bought these Sonic the Hedgehog shoes. They're already ruined. So pissed now. Why is there a flower? What is this? Dream stand. Why is it boarded up? Oh, oh. Oh, oh, I'm out of here. No. Oh, my Sonic the Hedgehog shoes. No. I just bought them. They're like $400. Oh, no, I'm out of here. What? Oh. Great, now my pants. Bro.
It's dark and it's cold, and it's stuck in behind every single wall. In some places, I swear this godforsaken ink is clear up to my knees. Whoever thought that these crummy pipes could hold up under this kind of strain? And I know something about pressure I don't, or he's some kind of idiot. But the real worst part about all this are the noises the system makes, like a dying dog in its last legs. Make no mistake, this place, this machine, and this whole darn thing, it just isn't natural. You can bet I won't be doing any more repair jobs for Mr. Joey Drew.
Well, I don't really care. You're gonna have to fix this. Because you just ruined my Sonic the Hedgehog shoes and Mario sweatpants. I just hope you don't get my Mickey Mouse hat. The creator lied
This
to
will
us.
definitely come in handy.
Yeah. Yeah, Joey doesn't. Bro. Said he has something to show me. He's not even here. Was I 30 years too late? The heck? What the? Wheelchair? Joe Swanson.